Vision and strategies build lasting businesses. Skills and mindsets build consistent excellence. Systems and processes build scale. But it is only when they all come together we can create big ideas, engineer transformation, and build destinations. For the last 50 years, that's precisely what Smith Industrial Corporation has been perfecting. With precision technology and engineering that is revolutionizing industries as diverse as general engineering, electrical, appliances, agriculture, micro-irrigation, automotive, aviation, and healthcare. With innovation-rich and impact-first ideas, the story of Smith Industrial Corporation is the saga of passion and grit of visionary Mr. P.K. Jain, who wanted to transform the economy ecosystem with a new language of reliability and service. And so was changed the course of a generation and a nation. Smith Industrial Corporation is the single source for more than 80% of its customers. Our value-added solutions and value engineering capabilities is allowing patrons and communities to maximize their potential and open new doors of advancement. Our offerings straddle a comprehensive swathe of in-demand niche and has helped us blaze a trail of triumphs across geographies, technologies, and industries. The Smith Industrial Corporation today is synonymous with manufacturing that responds to the highest benchmarks of quality, stands out with thoughtful innovation, is customized to the demands of clients and businesses spread globally, is rooted in diversity with a large component range of over 1,200, top-notch components ranging from 0.03 mm diameter to 40 mm diameter, in-house facilities and expertise to develop SPMs. The very best sourcing processes and systems tested for quality, reliability, and consistency for producing high economic order quantity. Our impact isn't just reflected in India's growth story, but also on our own. What drives our relentless quest to conquer the next level? Agile thought leadership, a culture of proactive R&D, ahead-of-the-curve technologies, future-first plant, machinery, labs and infrastructure, homegrown science and art of material procurement methodologies, dynamic and talented teams. Smith Industrial Corporation has built a rich repository of loyal admirers and glowing accolades, validating our belief in our mission and pushing us relentlessly to the next milestone. At Smith Industrial Corporation, the future is limitless, because we are building it together with our devoted teams, with our communities, with our partners. As we storm into the 21st century with a bigger thrust on digitization and big tech, modernized infrastructure and shop floors, next-in-class technologies and product lines, and diversification and expansion into new markets. We invite everyone to be a part of our unforgettable journey as we achieve socially responsible and environmentally sustainable growth. Let's build a grander legacy, a greater dream, a new destiny.